Wherever there's an internet connection, you can work from home. If you're like me, you've always wanted to see the world. You're constantly on the lookout for new places to call home. You can't imagine a life without exploring new places. And your laptop and cell phone are your workstations, too. You can't help but fantasize about sweet white sand beaches and turquoise oceans. To be a digital nomad certainly does sound appealing, doesn't it? So if you're looking to fly like a bird, you're not the only one. Remote employment is becoming increasingly popular, according to a recent New York Times investigation. However, this does not need you to work for yourself. Quite the opposite. In fact, you can, operate as a digital nomad while still being employed by a different employer. How do you make money as a digital nomad? The itinerant lifestyle is what you want. Therefore, you've made up your mind. There you go. However, how do you go about achieving it in practice? To become a digital nomad, all you need to do is follow a few basic steps. There are two things you must deal with. It will be difficult to become a digital nomad if you have a large amount of debt. You're carrying too much weight, and if you're out of work for a few weeks or months, you'll find it difficult to stay afloat. First and foremost, you must deal with your debt. The fastest way to reduce your debt is to make 2 times the minimum payment on your highest interest loans or credit cards until you've paid them off. Then go on to your next highest interest loans or credit cards. How will you make a living while you're on the road? Suppose you can't find a job to assist you pay your bills. Alternatively, what if you find yourself stranded in a strange nation with no way to earn a living? What's next? Most digital nomads, after all, are prone to taking risks. However, you'll need to be organized. To get there, you'll need to manage your finances. If you've dealt with your debt and bills, you'll need to focus on making money. What will be the source of funding? In the end, when you have the opportunity, try to generate revenue through passive means. However, diversification is essential. It's impossible to live off of just one source of money. You'll need a variety of sources. If you want to achieve this, you'll need to identify consistent sources of income that you can commit to on a daily basis. As a result, they have the power to make all final decisions. Most of the time, they're well versed in online marketing. Sales funnels and Facebook ads are two of their specialties. For them, earning money online is a way of life. To support their mobile lifestyles, they're always learning and improving their skill sets. Many people find it both appealing and terrifying at the same time since it asks them to put far too much on the line. What if you can't pay your bills? You're in another nation and you've ran out of money. What do you do? Your wallet, computer, or cell phone could be stolen at any time. When it comes to becoming a digital nomad, there are many dangers to watch out for. Being a digital nomad will always come with some level of danger. To assume a risk-free ride is unrealistic. There is nothing more exhilarating or satisfying than roaming the world as a digital nomad if you're one of those fly-by-the-seat-of-your-pants kind of people. You'll have the opportunity to interact with people from all around the world, to gain a fresh perspective on life's experiences. It's for people who prefer the unknown to the known. When you're a digital nomad, you're never bored. No other way of living compares to traveling full-time. 1. Publish an ebook. One of my favorite passive income ideas is to write an ebook and sell it online. Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing program can be used to accomplish this. A print-on-demand version of the ebook is also possible. You may also find it on Amazon.com, either through KDP's own platform or through CreateSpaces. To publish an audiobook on Audible.com, you can use the ACX platform to convert your ebook. 2. Start a blog. A fantastic way to get money without doing any work is to establish a blog. Even if you don't do any work, you may still make money from your blog provided you grasp the ins and outs of online marketing. The more specialized your blog becomes, the better. Look for oceans that are blue, not the red kind. Consider the idea that you'll eventually want to produce digital products that are in sync with what you're writing about on your blog. 3. Become self-employed. In the gig economy, you can always offer your services to others. A few options include things like driving for rideshare companies, delivering items, or even using Fiverr for little jobs that can be finished quickly. Here, we're not talking about a major operation on the brain. This could come in handy at a time when you're really stuck. 4. Deliver high-quality products and services. Know how to do something well. When it comes to making money from your professional skills, there are several options. There are a slew of online marketplaces where you can sell your talents to potential clients, including Upwork, Freelancer, and countless others. 5. Create online classes. The creation of online courses is a terrific way to generate passive income. It's possible to build online courses in a wide range of subjects, depending on your own skill set. It's possible to teach just about everything you want to. All of this comes down to how well you organize the course and the real sales funnel related with it. Alternatively, you might use a platform like Udemy, which takes care of the sales and promotion for you. 6. Become an English teacher. If you ever find yourself stranded while traveling and unable to pay your bills, you can always turn to teaching English as a second source of income. It's more difficult because you have to go out and contact local schools and let them know you're willing to help. Nevertheless, don't expect to make a lot of money from this venture. Local wages are what you'll be looking at here. That's not a lot of money if you're in an underdeveloped country. 7. Social media marketing. There is no escaping the necessity of social media marketing in today's digital age. There are several ways to make a lot of money from social media marketing consulting. This is especially true if you're visiting countries with lower living expenses like China or India. In order to assist others in their social media endeavors, you must, however, be well versed in your field. Finding clients, on the other hand, shouldn't be a difficult task. 8. Tutoring via the internet. As one of your skills lend itself to virtual tutoring, Skype may be used to educate a wide range of subjects. This method is very useful for instructing students on how to speak or read a foreign language or even how to play a musical instrument. For virtual tutoring jobs, you can check Indeed and other sites like it.